Oh man, what y'all doing back there? Y'all trying to learn something today? I'm not really just doing nothing just like too interesting, but I'm kind of messing with my car if y'all want some insider. Yeah, okay. So I was really just finna replace this headlight, but just to give y'all a quick rundown on how it's done. Got a pin in there. Just take that pin, slide it to your right. Pin comes right out, set it right there where you'll never find it. Pull this light, and it just comes right out. If you come back here, you can see you just gonna turn towards the passenger side of the car. Make sure you don't touch the bulbs of those. So I got the light off, but while it's off, I told myself I was gonna try and give y'all a real cool tip and trick. You know what I'm saying? If you got a little haze or anything on your light, put some off on it. I'm gonna just throw 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 some off on it.
You know this is a vlog, right?
Yeah.
You doing too much tutorial work.
Yeah, tutorial work.
It's just a vlog.
Right now I'm working on my 2006 Chevy Silverado. Hit it with some off, let it sit for a second, and then wipe it down with a microfiber towel. Boom. When you put this off on there, what it's gonna do is take a lot of that haze off of it. It's seriously like magic. Yeah, I put this on y'all skin, so y'all just watch it. But the universe provided us off to make this very, very easy. You don't have to go out and get those cleaning kits and all of that. If you want to take it that far, you can. But this is just something quick. If you just got some off, who don't got some off laying around? You know what I'm saying? If you just got some off, hit them lights if they got that orange haze on them. Wipe it down. Hit it once or twice more. If you need it, wipe it down. And quick and easy, like a mom can do it. That's the type of stuff I want to bring to the channel. Quick, easy DUI type of stuff. I don't even own a dog, but all right. All right, so whatever the case may be. All right, so whatever the case may be, I'm gonna get this bumper back on. In the meantime and in between time, y'all go have a snack or something, come back, watch the next video, whatever the case may be. Y'all gonna see more of this truck on the channel. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Like it up, all of that. Is you fucking with us, yeah? Cause I'm really got my bucks, yeah. Not doing this for me, no. I'm doing this for my family, yeah. But is you fucking with us, yeah? Cause I'm really about my bucks. Not doing this for me. Curry,
Listen, Linda, I'm the cameraman today, and I'm just in jammies. I ain't trying to get all like that. I'm just in jammies. Let me relax. Let my relax. Yeah, bro, get into the work. That's all him. I let him have that. Yeah, y'all like, subscribe, and comment to the channel, man.